Alright, here's the script. Intro music with RoamTips.com logo overlay 3 seconds. Voiceover *. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Screen Mac desktop. Voiceover *. Today, we're tackling a simple but essential task: how to update your apps on your Mac. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial for security, performance, and access to the latest features. So whether you're a seasoned Mac user or just getting started, this easy guide will walk you through all the different ways to keep your apps fresh. Transition to a new screen showing the App Store icon. Voiceover *. First up, let's talk about the App Store. If you downloaded your apps from the Mac App Store, this is your go-to method. It's super simple. Screen App Store window with the Updates tab highlighted. Voiceover *. Just open the App Store application. You can find it in your dock or by searching in Spotlight. Then, click on the Updates tab in the sidebar. You'll see a list of apps with available updates. Screen, showing the Update All button. Voiceover *. From here, you have two options. You can click the Update button next to each individual app, or if you want to update everything at once, just hit the Update All button in the top right corner. Easy peasy. Screen, showing System Preferences / System Settings and Software Update. Voiceover *. Now, what about apps that aren't from the App Store? Well, often these apps have their own built-in update mechanisms. Let's take a look. Go to your System Preferences, or System Settings if you are on the newest Mac OS version. You can find it in the Apple menu in the top left corner. Then click on Software Update. Screen, showing the Software Update window. Voiceover * Mac OS will automatically check for updates for the operating system itself, but sometimes it also includes updates for applications installed outside the App Store, especially those from Apple. Just click Update Now if anything shows up. Screen, showing an example of an apps menu, specifically looking for Check for Updates. Voiceover * OK, so what if that doesn't work? The next thing to try is to check the apps menu itself. Most apps that didn't come from the App Store have a Check for Updates option somewhere in their menu. Usually, you'll find it under the app's name in the menu bar, or sometimes in the Help menu. Click it, and the app will check if there's a newer version available. If there is, it will usually guide you through the update process. Screen, showing examples of download pages for popular Mac apps like Chrome or Firefox. Voiceover *. And finally, if none of those methods work, your last resort is to head to the app developer's website. You can usually find the download page for the latest version of the app there. Just download it, run the installer, and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you're downloading from the official website and not a random download site. Safety first, folks. Screen, recap of all the methods mentioned. Voiceover *. So, there you have it. 4 easy ways to update your apps on your Mac: through the App Store, through System Preferences / System Settings, through the app's own menu, and by visiting the developer's website. Screen, end screen with RoamTips.com logo and social media links. Voiceover *. Keeping your apps updated is essential for a smooth and secure Mac experience. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more Mac tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other Mac questions. Thanks for watching.